Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are tackling one of the most common mistakes in algebra and calculus, that is a raised to power b equals a multiply b. Many students confuse powers with multiplication, but they are not the same. In this lesson, we will carefully test the equation, that is a raised to power b equals ab, and see why it usually fails, and also discover the special cases where it actually works. So let's get started. Now we will start solving this, first of all breaking down in the symbols, that is a raised to power b equals what and a multiply b equals what. Now a raised to power b means multiply a by itself b times, and a cross b means just multiply the two numbers. So this is the basic difference. Apply the two numbers. Now we will consider an example. Let's suppose you have a equals 5 and b equals 3. So how to solve this? A raised to power b means 5 raised to power 3. It means that 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times. That equals 125. But in general, when we say that a cross b means 5 multiply 3, and this is equals 15. So you can see that 5 raised to power 3 is not equals 15. But now we will discuss another important case related to this, is in which that will be the special case, because we will satisfy the given equation. So we will get started as, consider if b equals 1, then a raised to power 1 equals a, and a multiply 1s is a. Now another case, that is if a also equals 1 and b also equals 1. So this means that we have 1 power 1 equal 1 multiply 1. It means that both are equal. Now there is another case, if a equals 2 and b is also equals 2. So let's see what will happen. 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiply 2, that equals 4. But they are the rare cases only on which this equation satisfied. But in general, this equation cannot be satisfied. Let us consider if we take the value of a is 3 and b is also 3. So in the left hand side we will substitute 3 raised to power 3. It means that 3 is self multiplied 3 times. So that equals 27. But in the right hand side we have a cross b. So 3 multiply 3, that will be the 9. So you can see in general this equation will not satisfy. So we will say that a raised to power b is not equal ab in many cases. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another important calculus concept. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.